Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change account on your Steam Deck. So in order to do this, you'll need to click on your profile icon. Now go down. Here locate the account, and that's the account you're on right now. Select change account with A. This will shut down any active games, so you can sign in to a different account. And do you wish to continue? Let's click confirm. Your Steam might restart. But right here you'll be able to log into another account or change to already existing accounts. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.